what's going on, EDM YouTube? So today we are doing a Sunset Music Festival vlog. It is day one. It's here, I'm home, so I don't have to really do much traveling or whatever, but I gotta go to credentials. I gotta go pick up my media pass. But if you don't know who I am, I'm Manny. I go by Frisky Hug. I'm a content creator, and if you like these vlogs, I would appreciate a like, subscribe, a comment. That'd be great. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This is Mathis Van Pietrick or
Pierrick.
Pierrick. I'm doing my best. I'm trying over here.
Perfect.
We're taking a bathroom break.
What the fuck is
Sometimes it happens, baby.
I don't know if they were in the group cruise vlog or not. Maybe, I can't remember.
I hope so. I really do.
No,
hope so.
no,
Actually, no. I hope not.
I don't think. Okay, so we got all our wristbands. That was a long line. I didn't have to wait, but I wanted to wait with my friends, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna head inside and we're all gonna link up again and we're gonna see what we're gonna do. I don't have to really do like any work stuff until tomorrow. So today's really kind of like a fun day. So I'm kind of excited. First person to bump into already. You having fun?
I love it. I am having fun.
Yeah, me too. I just got here like 2
Look at
seconds
the fit.
ago.
Wait, I have to film you.
Oh shoot, yes.
Yeah, outfit of the day.
So IEDM actually sent me this and I just did the unboxing video. It'll be up soon, so.
Yay! Say hi. Hey.
It's giving away candy.
Yeah, you want
I got
some?
one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
First candy trade.
Bumping into the world famous Plasma.
Hey, baby.
He's playing tomorrow. We're gonna do our best to catch that set.
Frisky Hug. 4 o'clock tomorrow.
Yeah. I mean, I gotta be here early anyways because my meetup's pretty fucking early, so.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
I played 19 of my songs last night. I'm gonna play like 25 tomorrow.
I'd be fucking tired if I was him. I think this is Vinny. I'm not really sure though. Found my group after 1 long year. Are you having fun?
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, what's
What's going on over here? What are you guys doing? Welcome to the festival, my guy.
Welcome to festival, bro.
I found this queen just dancing by herself. Bing, 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 bing. Oh.
Hello, Manny. How are you? For the festival.
Where are you?
I'm good, and you, Manny?
Yeah, good. All right, you good?
I'm fucking good, yeah. What's happened for the next party, bro? How are you, bro? Let's go!
You should have seen her get up. I've never seen someone get up so quick.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I brought
You
the.
brought everything.
No.
And then my little beautiful, this is my friend Janik.
Hi.
He's not feeling so well right now.
I brought my sister the first time ever in the rain.
I just blew up this puppy. Get here, big boy. We're going for a little ride. Waiting for sunset, let's go. my two international friends, my German boys. Fucking love these kids. Oh shit, hey! How are you, mommy?
I just pet his dog.
You look beautiful, by the way. It's a great outfit. I keep on getting to this guy. Okay, we're at a standstill. Audien just finished. I think Zombo's coming up. My dog looks real as shit. Ah. And we're looking for his friends. I guess one of his friends' phones got stolen.
Rex. Rex. What's up, Rex? How you doing? You're fucking dead, man.
take a big deep breath. Yeah.
Here we are, in this moment.
I got some words for you.
Right here, right now, in the center of it all. And every single moment that has come before this one is gone. Every moment that will happen after this one hasn't happened yet. So here we are, right here, right now, in the center of it all. Feel the feeling to offer some love to the world right now. You might just say, may there be love in this world. May there be kindness in this world. Down with the high vibration.
It's Rezz. Oh my god, I know you! So that ends day one of Sunset Music Festival. This is the aftermath. We all basically walk back to our hotels. It's a pretty nice walk with everybody though. I hope you guys liked this vlog. If you guys did, like, share, subscribe, do the thing. All right guys, until the next one, day two coming up.